Hi everyone, I'm Santiago from ChainSafe. I'm the developer relations for Web3.js, and I'm really happy to be here at ETHOxford. I deliver a 1.5-hour workshop where we have around 80 attendees, and all of them were really engaged, asking a lot of questions, getting started with Solidity, with Web3.js. Some of them were learning about MetaMask as well, and they got a whole overview of what is blockchain. I'm sure that after this event, we will have more developers getting started into the blockchain development, Solidity and Web3.js. I'm really excited to be here and really happy to see all the hackers around.